How to create decals using Roblox mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up any Chrome browser in your mobile device and open up Roblox with that. Because we cannot create decals using the Roblox application in mobile device. For that, open up the Chrome browser in your mobile device and in the search URL, simply search for Roblox. After that, navigate to the first link. Then from this interface, go to Continue in Browser at the bottom of this interface. After that, you may be asked to log into your account. Log into your account and once you land on this interface, navigate to Create option from this menu bar at the top. Now from here again, tap on the three-line icon from the top left corner. From here, tap on Creations. Now under this creation, if you swipe this menu bar to your left, there is a development items. Click on it or tap on it. Again, under development items, there are more options. You can swipe to your left and there you will find decals. Tap on it. After that, scroll down a bit and then tap on this button that says Upload Asset. Now you have to upload a decals. For that, tap on upload. Now you can either choose a decal from your gallery or you can simply take a picture from your camera. So here I will just take a picture. So tap on camera. Now you have to click a photo. Then tap on the tick mark. Now once you're done, scroll down, there you'll have a name text box. You can clear this and then you can name your decals the way you want. Under that, there is a description box where you can add descriptions to your decals. If you want any descriptions related to your decals, simply type in here. If not, you can simply click or tap on this upload, and so with that, decals will be created and uploaded in your Roblox account. So that is the way to create decals from Roblox mobile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.